In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to featured images in WordPress. Step-by-step tutorial. Captions do more than describe an image. They add helpful context for readers, can support accessibility when used alongside alt text, and help credit photographers or sources. Today, we'll walk through adding a caption to your featured image directly in the WordPress editor. Then make sure it displays clearly across your templates. Start by opening your WordPress site editor and navigating to the template you want to adjust. Here, it's the home or landing page template. Once the editor loads, click the highlighted area that contains your featured image to select it. If the image is within a block pattern or group, make sure you've clicked until the image block itself is selected. With the image block active, choose Media Library. This opens your existing images. Click the highlighted thumbnail for the image you want to use as your featured image. On the right, open Attachment Details. This is where you'll find key fields like Title, Alt Text, and Caption. In the Caption field, type the caption you want to appear with the image. Keep it concise and useful. For example, a short description or a credit line. Remember, Alt Text serves screen readers and should describe the content of the image, while the caption is shown visually on the page, so don't just repeat the same text. After entering your caption, click to apply the change in the Details panel, then choose Select to insert or update the image in your template. Back in the editor, use the highlighted controls to confirm the caption appears beneath or overlaid on the image, depending on your theme's style. If your theme supports it, you may see options in the toolbar or sidebar to adjust how the caption displays. Next, switch to another template where a featured image appears, such as the About page. Click the highlighted featured image there to select it, then the image block. Open the design controls. Under Text, check the caption's font color and size for readability. Then open Background and adjust the background or overlay if your caption sits on top of the image. This can dramatically improve contrast. Small tweaks here make a big difference in legibility. When everything looks good, click Save in the editor. Review the summary of changes, then confirm. Finally, click Launch or the follow-up confirmation so your updates go live. Quick tips as you wrap up. Keep captions short and meaningful, use sentence case, credit creators when needed, and avoid stuffing keywords. That's it. Your featured images now display clear, polished captions across your site.